Look around yourself and you will find objects of different kinds such as television, mobile, trees, cars, buses, trains, etc. Objects such as television, mobile, trees, etc. are static. In other words, their position does not change with time. Such objects are said to be at rest, whereas objects such as cars, buses, trains, etc. are non-static. It means that their position changes with time. Such objects are said to be in motion. Let us discuss motion and time in greater detail in this lesson. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between slow and fast motions, define speed, measure speed, identify the units of speed, measure time. Suppose you have an appointment with your doctor at 5 in the evening. It is already 4:30 p.m. and the doctor's clinic is 5 kilometers away from your house. You have the choice of either cycling down or taking a taxi to the clinic. What will you do? Correct. You will take a taxi because a taxi is faster than a cycle. So we can say that some objects move faster than others. Now the same taxi moves fast on an empty road and slow on a busy road. Thus, the same object can move fast at one time and slow at another time. The next step is to identify whether an object is moving faster or slower than another object. To do that, you must calculate the distance covered by both the objects in the same time interval. Consider a 1,000-meter cycle race. When the whistle blows, the race begins. Every cyclist starts at the same time. Suppose after 10 minutes, one cyclist reaches the finishing line. This means that the winner covered the distance of 1,000 meters in 10 minutes. This also means that all the others who reached the finishing line later covered less than 1,000 meters in 10 minutes and hence lost the race. So we can say that the object that covers a longer distance in a given time interval than other is faster. The most convenient way of finding out which object moves faster than the others is to calculate and compare the distances covered by all the objects per unit time. The object that covers a greater distance per unit time is quite obviously faster. The distance covered by an object per unit time is called the speed of the object. Suppose your brother claims that his motorbike is faster than his friend's. His friend denies. You know that your brother's motorbike covers a distance of 60 km in an hour, whereas his friend's bike covers 40 km in 1 hour. Let us now check the claims of your brother and his friend. The speed of your brother's bike is 60 km per hour and that of his friend's bike is 40 km per hour. Your brother's bike is certainly faster than his friend's because its speed is greater.